Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We had some great weather on Saturday, rain yesterday. The rain is still sticking around this morning, but hey, we're going to clear the rain out as we go into later this afternoon. We're going to have some nice weather tomorrow and Wednesday before the weather becomes active the end of the week and into next weekend. So let's take a look at that forecast going throughout the day today. This is just a forecast model here as we go forward, showing a shower sticking around this morning. In fact, the showers probably sticking around through lunchtime, about 1 o'clock or so. I think after about 1 o'clock, we're going to end the rain, and we'll end the day by sunset with sunshine, and we're going to clear the skies out tonight. Breezy today as well. You can see wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour out of the northeast, so it's going to be a breezy and kind of cool afternoon with temperatures in the upper 40s. Tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be nice days here. Sunshine tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, highs in the upper 40s. We'll start tomorrow in the 20s. Wednesday, going to be the nicest day of this whole week. Wednesday's just great. Temperatures in the upper 50s, lots of sunshine. Be sure to enjoy Wednesday because we will start to work in that rain chance. By Thursday, a chance of rain, but Thursday still features a lot of dry weather and warmer temperatures in the low 60s. But as we get to Friday and Saturday, these are the two most unsettled days in the forecast, as we have showers and storms in the forecast. The highest risk of rain will come on Saturday. Now will come with some gusty winds as well. Temperatures should be fairly mild Thursday through Saturday. We're going to hold those temperatures near 60 with the rain around. But temperatures Saturday afternoon, once that front comes through, you're going to know it because temperatures are going to drop dramatically Saturday night and Sunday. Highs on Sunday, lower 40s, and that may even be a little bit optimistic at this point. Some models are even a little bit colder, so we'll fine-tune that forecast, but certainly a lot of ups and downs of early spring as we go forward. Looking at that system again for the weekend on the current data, as you can see, looks like a rather prolonged period here of some showers and a few thunderstorms. That looks to come to an end by Saturday night. Maybe Indiana has a couple flurries on Saturday night as well, so we'll fine-tune it as we get closer. But in the meantime, thanks for checking out this update. Hope you guys have a great day.